Alright, in this video we're going to get the trunk cleaned out, floors stripped and prepped, primed, painted, all that stuff. Old tank out, replacement tank in. So should be a short video, but we'll get the tank in her. Square nut. Why a square nut? I'm gonna guess that wasn't a Ford square nut. It really wasn't even the right thread, I don't think. Let's see if I can cut this old dry rotted hose out, cutting through my fingers. That sucker is brittle. Wow, that's seen better days. Definitely weren't going to be reusing that guy. and lift this nasty thing out. There's no holes in any of the trunk floor or frame rails where the gas tank mounts, so that's good. I'll finish cleaning it up in here, but surprisingly good. So there's a little rust where this rubber grommet went, and that's it. Everything else is solid. Trunk floor, this one where the rubber grommet was, had some surface rust, but no holes. And where some of the caulking was, but we'll strip all that off, wire brush it down, get some paint on it. Everything will be cleaned up and primed and painted, and we'll preserve it. And like I said, these areas down in here are solid, no holes. There's a hole right there for the wire to go through for the reverse light. Not the right color, but it's pretty close. Closer to that color. But it'll work for just touching up things. These guys are sending days, but maybe we can clean them up. All right, we've been wire brushing and priming just to get this kind of ready to put the gas tank back in it. Again, it's not show quality, but right now just want to get it drivable and preserve it. So continue to prep things so that it'll last longer, and if we restore it and paint it, we'll come back in here, do a lot more body work, get that looking nice. All right, we got her wire brush down, stripped all the loose stuff and rust and whatever. Hit her with some primer and then some satin black. Kind of was a rust preventative paint that I got from Summit. So we can put the tank back in when this dries. All right, doing a little hammering and dollying. This corner over here looks just like that one over there. So we'll get to that one next. But it is not professional in any way, shape, or form, but it won't look half bad. Definitely not show quality, but it is a lot straighter than it was. It'll work till we find a better one. This thing's pretty rust-free under here. Frame rails look good. The trunk floor, you know, we painted the top side of it. These usually are gone. Wheel housing tub thingies are good. It's got air shocks on it. This exhaust pipe is crumpled. I'm gonna have to hack that off. She's got duals on her. The tailpipes have been cut off, but I'm really impressed with how rust-free it is. That is the tank out of my 67. All right, let's put these back in. We got this guy going on. Nice. The original clamps. I'm gonna make a modification to this guy. Plus, maybe it won't be this one. This one's all right. We got the sender plugged in and the fuel line hooked up. I blew some air through it. It's not plugged, so ready to put some gas in it.